Berlin is the capital city of Germany and one of its 16 federal states. Located in northeastern Germany, it is the country's largest city and a vibrant hub of culture, history, and innovation. Berlin is renowned for its rich history, marked by significant events such as the rise and fall of the Berlin Wall, which divided the city during the Cold War. The city's name, Berlin, is derived from the Old Polabian word, berl, which means swamp. Berlin covers an area of about 891 square kilometers, 344 square miles, making it the largest city in Germany by land area. The Berlin Wall, which divided the city from 1961 to 1989, was a symbol of the Cold War and East-West division. The Berlin Wall was officially opened for passage on November 9, 1989, leading to the eventual reunification of Germany. The Brandenburg Gate is one of Berlin's most iconic landmarks and served as a symbol of division during the Cold War. The Fernsehturm Berlin, Berlin TV Tower, is the tallest structure in Germany, standing at 368 meters, 1,207 feet. Berlin is known for its vibrant arts and culture scene, with numerous museums, galleries, theaters, and music venues. The Berlin Philharmonic Orchestra is one of the world's most renowned orchestras, performing at the Philharmonie Concert Hall. The city has a rich history of techno music and electronic dance culture, with famous clubs like Berghain and Treasure. The Berlinale, also known as the Berlin International Film Festival, is one of the world's leading film festivals. Berlin is home to a diverse culinary scene, offering a wide range of international cuisines. The Tiergarten is a vast urban park in the heart of the city, often referred to as Berlin's Green Lung. The East Side Gallery is a preserved section of the Berlin Wall covered in murals and graffiti, serving as an open-air art gallery. The Berlin Zoo is the oldest zoo in Germany and home to a large variety of animals. Berlin has a complex public transportation network that includes trains, trams, buses, and the U-Bahn, subway. The Reichstag building is the seat of the German parliament and is known for its impressive glass dome. The Currywurst, a popular German fast food dish, was allegedly invented in Berlin. Berlin's Museum Island is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and houses several world-class museums. The Holocaust Memorial, officially called the Memorial to the Murdered Jews of Europe, is a somber and impactful monument in central Berlin. Berlin has a thriving startup ecosystem and is often considered one of Europe's tech hubs. The Berlin Hauptbahnhof is one of the largest and busiest railway stations in Europe. The Berliner Dom, Berlin Cathedral, is an impressive Baroque-style cathedral located on Museum Island. Berlin's public transportation system uses an honor system, where passengers are expected to buy and validate their tickets, but there are no barriers or turnstiles at most stations. The Ampelmann, a beloved pedestrian traffic light figure, is a unique symbol of East German design that has become an icon of the city. The Pergamon Museum on Museum Island is famous for its collection of ancient artifacts and monumental architecture. The Berlin Victory Column, Siegessäule, is a prominent monument and observation tower in Tiergarten Park. The bear is the symbol of Berlin, and you can find bear statues throughout the city, often decorated in different ways to represent various themes or causes.